Molweni guys, Halloween go YouTube. I hope you're right. Guys, before start the video, subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. Like you need subscribe. Subscribe.
Hey yo, who's the boss?
What do you mean? You are not the boss.
Tell me the name, who's the fucking boss?
So say his name started with L.
Hey yo, who's the boss?
The boss is him.
Action. Okay guys, so today visitors, you know what I'm saying? Visitors namhlanje, visitors yabo. Sine guests, yeah. Visitors namandwendwe. You know what I'm saying? Namandwendwe. I'm Besto. You pride? Okay. Out. Okay guys, khona siqala before qala video la. Mhlawumbe abanye benu abanazi la.
Shout out guys, it's your boy Mr. RC lona la ekse.
Ngingamfollow wish pa TikTok guys, nimazi ngingamfollow wish like videos.
Kandi
shout out it's your boy Pride Infinite. Yeah, all the way from A-Town.
Alice. Abanye fana abangobalawe before no.
They don't understand.
They don't understand.
Okay. You know, I'm from A-Town, Alice. Yeah, Edikini.
Okay.
Yeah, apho kukho i-Fort ekhona.
Okay.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Yeah. Fort esoni ngayazi guys.
So today namhlanje guys sijonga i-blind dates. Into lengakwazi uplita. Yeah, sijonga blind dates namhlanje. Zisixhosa by the way.
guys, please, ngicela ngesihle la wena.
Cela ni subscribe. Yeah.
Subscribe when I
Subscribe.
You know the guy?
No.
No. Okay, Chance, as you can hear from the people, they say they don't know each other, but sooner or later, it's going to be something else. So, G, like, can you please, what do you like to see in a girl?
Wena uthanda ubona ntoni emizini intombini? Bewuthe ngcono la because Mike. Wena uthanda ubona ntoni entombini wena?
Ntombi mayipake.
Awukhona hali shem. Wa understand?
Yeah. Ibe enhla ebusweni. Yeah. That's all, bro.
I-hairstyle enhloko nombe ichebe inqayi mos.
Nabichebe inqayi anangxaki nalonto as long as ine personality grand.
And then wena
Bona na fethu mna. Ngichere enhle la we. Boni, like bona amachere manje azisifebe. Amachere afeba efondini. Nonca ngichere nje yana mafoni. Ngathi cherry be yami qha. Kodwa la wethu icherry yami
ibe nguwe lo sisifebe. Ibe nguwe lo uzaba ngowabanye. Yena ngikhwekho yini?
Andithi badla fethu.
Okay.
Ngibone fethu ya.
Yeah,
Anothi icherry yami tuyokuphuzela lobana nca ngabe.
Bona kumpi cherry nasike. Ibe nempuno ne.
Yeah.
Ibe enhle. Ngoba iqabela wemnyama so. Qabela wemnyama la wena ngasi
Igcwele gqobethi lip gloss. Imenyezele igcwele
yathi ishushu la we. Ishu jonga bona abawezi uthe.
Yeah, ngicela
fonini yes.
Ayingani ngamagqorhakazi.
Bahle.
Zalithini igqorhakazi.
Hayibo. Siufonile abantwana abalona nabaya.
Ngifuna umbona nje ayamba ngubani mhlawumbe ayazi.
Yamazi. This such a small voice, so. But I just want to know, like, what do you like to see in a girl? Like, do you turn the Indomazan, like,
Buhle bakhe mna nami yabo.
Ndiyamazi lo mntu.
wait.
Ndiyamazi lo mntu, ndiyamazi. Okay.
Wena fonini like intombi uhamba ngohlobo like uhamba nje personality ba okay injani?
Yeah, bro.
Ba okay masithi umntana yabo umhlane but
Yeah,
unasi akaphoxi bone umhle qha.
Yeah, she's not my type, bro.
She's not your type.
Because abele way ndifuna abe yiyo mna, yabo. Yeah, abe ne personality grand, yabo. Noba nga anganje ke abe phakathi yabo, but abe ne personality grand, yabo. Inoqala le.
Yabona.
And yabona Chere Nyabileyo
Hayi yabona.
Boy Chere Nyabileyo anincane.
Naba nequmbe into engaka.
Man ubone yabo equmayo i-trend for him.
Yabona equmayo cause man uyicela.
Yathi nawe tazi.
Sukuma kakhulu. Sukuma kakhulu plus now sithenga kakhulu. Izawudika.
Yabona but fitimete la yakhi.
Bona nje.
Chere Nyabileyo.
Neyam asikiphoxe. Phoxe kakhulu. Bone ingapliteki. Ayipliteki. Ayibuliseki.
Unpleatable.
Asibe unpleatable. Untouchable. Hey, ayibambeki. Hey, kunzima nothi high endleleni. Kunzima nobuza ilenuza idatha
Sashaya thundazelaphi.
nobulahlekile. Buti ngibani ngale bone aphonxe man.
Abe rude.
Bengathi kubona.
Ndiyamazi lo mntu.
Wait.
Ndiyamazi lo mntu. Ndiyamazi. Okay.
Stop camera. Shimayima. Uthini chini?
Ya ngifuna ubona ubuhle bakhe yabona nomzimba umuntu onjani akanje sisibhangi.
Yeah.
Kazi business fundile. Kanti soyifuna kwaphini yenze le. Bazi sevidweni.
Ibeka ilanga.
Man fundini kalukho jonga feta nandi.
Beka.
Okay guys.
What do you like to see in a boy?
I think I know this person.
Besides, you know this person.
Okay. Funa ubona yena.
Like, you don't turn out to you, hello.
Personality. And
Come on.
like nothing else.
Nothing else. So, do you have a crush currently when I'm my crush?
Bathi amantombazana athanda
Personal.
lo muntu onguye. Sobe usoyika fanele. Sobe usoyika kanoni.
Aziyo yike ntwana nyantheni gwaja.
Like pride tithela nawe ngamanye amazwi. Uyika ntona lo mimi.
Aronga mankazana.
Uyika ntona lo mimi.
Aronga mankazana.
Entweni njani?
Face.
Akwenza noni.
Abone mntana face. Bona mntana. Sure. Hayi mhle mfesu. Bone la weqombi we yajonga indlela we yabo. Hayi ayixekeka akho ndixekekayo ngayo pride oseletinda hayi pride. 1 2 3 wabetha phezulu wathwaxa. After yonke lonto ndrop.
Yajoka.
Aronga mankazana.
Yajoka na guys wami ngibona man.
Hayi. Ni wrong guys. Why you do this?
Yajoka le guys.
When I thought, my crush.
Face usiphuthi phone yami. Kodwa endiyenzayo yandibona nami silento ndiyenzayo.
Qobezelele wephithi.
Yeah, lo mjita. Okay, ngithenga.
Hayi fundini.
Macherini yona balayo macherini ayikho ma-outini wena.
Okay, chill. I'm like, dog, would you date this girl? Like, would you date her according to voice yakhe mhlawumbe?
Voice yakhe jo. Ya ivoice yakhe nikamjola yena ivoice yakhe.
Wajola le voice akayazi buzi.
Akabazi.
Ngamjola nje just voice no yenza lo gaga.
Silokhe labo umbi. Hayi
Ine voice cute.
Thuthi lawe.
Yohanganya ngoba.
Masithi ke ugele umhle qha uyabhesa.
Hayi ngamjola.
And ingathi nguye lenuza umjita apha.
Yohama kayeke. Haya
benibhesela.
kayeke. Anganye
It's
mangaka.
ugly as fuck, dog, Martin.
Uzawujola yedwa uba.
And that's so bad. Like, would you date this guy according to the Can you please hold their hands, dog?
I know this person.
Wait, decide you know the person. No.
Ndiyamazi.
Don't care.
Ndiyamazi.
Him or not.
Ndiyamazi.
Yeah, we're sure.
Ndiyamazi.
Ex yakokan. Zazaki.
I think I did him.
wait. Okay, salungisa ke se blind dating.
Hayi ndiyamazi.
Wait.
Okay.
Trend ngelawi ungalibaleki.
Ngalibaleki. Yabo. Ubona hamba khona ushisa
ndixelela
stamp
ndixelela
haba
ndixelela
aqome ya bewanyathela lapho B
abanye fone abalibaleki ngezinto ezimbi la kuthiwa you awubani ke
uphaka mnandi
ayicuceza akalibaleki
What's different? Uniyazi kwenzani?
Hands no voice. Hands and voice.
Don't change your voice now, man.
You.
Okay, chill.
No, this is
Okay, talk to your mouth now. Nah, excel a bit does. Oh, no.
Ndiyamazi.
Okay, G. Are you a virgin?
Yeah.
A virgin?
I'm sure.
Just answer the goddamn question.
Lilo.
You like your mom, you a virgin? For real?
Yes.
But the exciting one bang the ex yam.
Ay.
Exam.
Which one would you like?
Ayaw aksiyam sister la sama. I think ndiyamazi.
Oh.
I think ndiyamazi.
Secret, you.
Ndiyamazi.
Vale, okay, but. So, but this mask and hold your.
senari kumidala kodwa fit
hey fit idala
uyidle we
ngaski
but abanye fone
yamazi
abanye fonini abanye bakhona abayafona ufika ubabone fona qofela
ngaseniboni
okay qofela ubone xa ubonile into sidala sakanye ex yakho qofela undlela ngethuba
yabona la
ayisho ujule nomuntu nohlukane
abuye wrong
uzongo ngobomvu basiyo ugcadiyo qofela ufanele why ungazange ubenje kwa ujula nami uzobanje ngo why ungazange ubenje
balapha kungama ayiki imithe inqonda yanga simbuyele kuyo manje
wrong amanga
nakuma yikho la
apha ayikho kum njengoba bawa ujula nami ucinge mina ndiyakufuna hana noba ndaw act ngale act soze yaxoka
Oh, samba romantic dog.
Kalo ndifuna umazi jo.
Okay, G, so the bag. Sanel?
Wait.
Dim, ufuna ngayazi. Maybe yakwazi.
Kalo jo inwele.
Okay, sure. So ndayaza no.
Unless wayebamba ngoba.
Okay, doggy ma. Osistala sago, yakwazi umdescribe kwa ngekiss mos.
Absolutely.
Ucho la. To chesa ne. You know something that I'm going to take off the blindfold and
Yeah.
we need to take out the Toby. Situzo msana mdana fast show.
Unborn.
Okay, show no see news.
Unborn.
News.
I don't see. Unborn.
Kaboni ndambona now.
Unborn. I think ndiyamazi.
Hey, akundumazi.
But at the same time, no.
At the same time, no. Talk. Funke bana. Wena.
Hayi andimazi. Funke dani.
So funke tena mazi.
Andimazi.
Wena wazo funke bana.
9.
You are okay, so it's the wrong person. Okay, Jensen, it's about that time and so so the game is simple, right? Is that chairs? Just remove the chairs. Wait, man. Dog. Chairs. I'm just gonna do a quick thing.
Sniper phone I feel like nguboss cause itenje boys the chairs
hey fondi ngizathi ngoku fondi
ngubani kumali kaka
wrong esika
yini ngathi nguboss phone boys the chair
boy
water inobisho
se
water boys lambile
yo yona iphili impilo si like
boys
iphili smooth besto
lo mthi
kaze namanzi namanzi mama
iphili smooth le
Param. Okay, so bist du Tafil? Tafil a chance.
Tafil Sam Sholozi jo.
This one chance. Claro. So chance and I go like classes like you don't you? Yeah. I was going to go away. Other some chatting. Just go look picture. Mom, chalo. Mom, Hold your hands. Hold your hands. Hold your hands. That's don't get too close, G. Come on. Hey, how's him shutting down, Jam? Enormous. I'll tell you, me kiss the bright side. And Yima. Okay, from Namsa Kakule Bank.
Contract
come on, come success. Bangat yasaba skola lagus.
Unmanned.
You shaking, Yep. Okay, Namazan, do you like tall chants or short chants? Tall or short?
And short.
Why not? You like short or tall? Way too, G. Picture piece, man.
Mungu lo mjida short hand uzasithini isiqebhise into engaka ngawe lawe hayi
ba uyimede endomde
man cut off
like iba umde like nami ugula ngengqondo kum
ufuna noni kum like nazabe ndengohlobo
si ngqondo kum
yazinto idodeza leyo hayi chitha lonto yena chitha lonto wena
alikhaba lobhekile
hayi khabe
Okay, give a hug and see if I'm not a mass. Okay, chance ade. Ofu compete jo.
ngala lo kodwa ifoni
akona msholos
wenza ngathi
adovale umbeno zolo mshelo iboss
umsholozi uzuma umsholozi
iza kwegama layo for msholozi mfana
hayi shushu
kodwa msholos
yeah but
Why you guys both single or what? She's single. Yeah, just no two single. Yeah. Just wanna make it look shy. Yo.
Can't handle.
So he's on one dance. Just remove the blindfolds. Mom is out. Man. Okay, sure. Hey. Okay, wait. Let's go, man. Chance. Okay, wait. Let's go, man. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
hayi bo
3, 2, 1. Let's go. Wait, what's going on here?
yahleka intombi unyeka thathe nix nihlekisayo
khanyelo
miyeke boy
khanyelo
intombi yahleka wena unyeka thathe nix nihlekisayo
khanyelo lo ncwa
anqolo zomfumana lo
Like just woke up, you can't make a scene. Yeah. Tulum ka pecho nagtsayle break kaliye cho, kines kaliye cho. Hey.
By the way guys, please subscribe, like, comment, share, hit the notification button. You know what I'm saying? Share or subscribe, share in the video. Pride wife it.
Ndicela guys man
share le video, subscribe. Yeah, zonke zibe ngo-live.
Zonke.
and guys there
Also don't forget to tell your friends.
Xale chomi zakho uba mandixelele izazi nazo zazi chomi ndixelele izazi ndizazi wena xelele izazi yama ngolo hlobo le
Yeah, it's process man.
sonke sapopa ma sonke sashaya sonke
photosynthesis.
Safanelanga. Okay guys.
Photosynthesis.
Okay guys, for more videos please subscribe like.
you know what I'm saying
And
Gang.
copy the link and masibone kwi status
zenu zaka WhatsApp
please
For
on
sure.
Facebook nisitheke bona ke bawusitekile phaka Facebook noko sakujonga
subscribe man
okay guys please
Nangona izawukhathi.
awunayilanga ukuthi nishushu kakhulu
Shushu kakhulu iphuma pha kupotyi nika nshushu kakhulu Dishushu kakhulu Dishushu kakhulu Dishushu kakhulu Dishushu kakhulu Dishushu kakhulu Khalo makhulu